Hi guys, it's Nico here, and a lot of people have been asking me about my Nikola mask, so I'm here to show it to you. Firstly, I'm actually gonna explain how it works and I'll show it to you, and then I'll tell you how I made it step by step. So, there has been a lot of speculation over how it actually works, but it's quite simple. So right out of the gate, you can see it's actually made with paper mache. And inside there are two pairs of elastics on both sides that hold together the bottom part of the mask. The black fabric you see inside here is just actually some random fabric. However, if you just put it on by itself, it very easily just tries to slide off your face. And to prevent that, I actually installed these two little magnets. The job is to clip onto the wig, like this, and prevent it from moving too much while I talk. A movable jaw like this isn't actually my original idea. I firstly saw it on Little Sleepy Demon's page. I'll put her ad here. Her tutorial inspired me to make this mask into what it is today. So yeah, check her out. But here's like step-by-step instructions on how I made this thing. Okay, so this looks goofy as fuck, but the first thing I did is I wrapped my whole face in bandage plaster. I did that to create a cast of my face that I can reference my paper mache mask later from. After I created this cast, I put Vaseline on the inside and followed a simple paper mache recipe. I found it on YouTube. If you just search paper mache mask tutorial, a lot of different tutorials will pop up, and yeah, just try different recipes. I just got like random newspaper stripes, dipped them into glue, and put it slowly strip by strip on the inside. After it is dried and I peeled it off from the cast, it looked something like this. Next step was to put wall filler all over the mask. A thick layer of wall filler. This stuff is the key to making the mask look smooth, baby. Yeah, I put a layer down, I sanded it, I put another layer and sanded it, and over until I achieved the desired smoothness. At this stage, I did a little bit of sculpting. I made the eyes bigger and more symmetrical. I thinned out the nose and made the lips look fuller and just nicer to give her that Nikola Orsinov look I had in my head. This is how she looked after all the sanding, and she was ready to prime and paint. Before that, I obviously created a lot of designs, and I finally settled on this one. So yeah, there's not much else to say. I cut apart the jaw and the upper parts of the mask. I covered it all in white acrylic paint and painted on the features, the brows, the makeup, and stuff like that. This smooth blush here I actually created with dry pastel. So yeah, after it was all finished, I just sprayed it down with some clear acrylic spray, and she was done. So yeah, if you have any more questions, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching.